sun. Tonight, let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight, let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum. Tonight, tonight, let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun. Tonight, let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight, let me take you for a ride. Alright. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight, oh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum. Tonight, tonight, let me take you for a ride. Alright. crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright.
Welcome back to Tappy's Little Adventures. Hope you enjoyed that little ride then. I'm not too far, but I'm far enough, you know, from the house. I'm nowhere near my old site. A bit gutted that the last one absolutely died. So anyway, day one. Today is more about prepping the area. I touched one of the trees just behind the camera there, so yeah, it's not good, like, so I touched it, half of it's fell down, so I'm just going to be giving a few trees a bit of a shake. If I need to pull them down, basically, I'm going to pull them down, because obviously, you know, safety is a very big thing, you know. I don't want to be hurt, and if anybody does that actually come here, I don't want them to be hurt either. So I have brought my my hard hat with me just in case, because it was a bit close the other week when we come to scout it all out, but I think there should be enough wood. Like I've noticed a few piles down the bottom there, so yeah guys, I'm gonna make like a little platform just behind me anyway. I'm gonna start off with that, and then I'm gonna make some kind of platform here, like, which goes just underneath the camera, just a bit further back, but I'm going to try and keep it all level. That's going to be on future videos, and obviously I'm going to have to make some kind of roof to go with it, and I might have to make some ladders to go onto the platform, so that'll just give you some kind of idea what's going to be going on, guys. So like I said, today guys is just all about just prepping the area, making sure that, you know, this tree's not going to fall down, stuff like that, move any big rocks, do you know what I mean? So anyway, let's get on with it. Right, let's just not muck around. And I'm probably not going to talk, guys, to the camera, to be honest. I'm probably just going to leave it rolling, and then just see what happens from there, guys. So you know, we'll see anyway. We'll see what happens, guys. So I'll see you all soon. Right, so that's what we're going to do. guys, this tree here is dead. Wow, that didn't even take a lot either. Right, I'm going to make this back now right into a path again so that we can still use it. I just sawed through my finger. This is proper stupid. the beast. Oh. Guys, I'm still asleep. Been here for ages now. Guys, I'm going to have to move this because it's not that I cut it short. I did, but we won't agree with that one. Theory stuff that's reflexing. I will show you all in a minute what I've done, and then probably on the next time I come I'm probably going to bring my paracord so I can start tying bits up. Like, I'm literally just prepping it now so that I can just go and then done. I think we should do a bit of POV, yeah. Can't remember what it stands for, but yeah, person, something, I don't bloody know. And then I think what we should do is probably just spin you around a little bit. Right, so can you see that tree just there? I'm probably going to stick one going down, and then probably lash it, then stick that tree coming off this bit down to that one, and the same on the opposite side, and then yeah. So guys, I think now what we're going to do is we are going to head out. We're gonna go and find some wood. I have already started collecting wood last time I was down this way, so let's head out. Right, let's go and collect some wood. I'm trying to leave this path like exactly how it is, because I don't want people to know where this is. It's proper out the way, like. So I have started to get a pile just over here. I think if you guys remember, I collected this wood last year, because I actually, look, I started to build some bits here. So I started making a bed. Ah, there's some of my rope here, look. I could probably just cut that off and reuse that, maybe. I haven't even brought a knife or anything, so you have to bear with, guys. So we definitely need like these kind of bits, I reckon. I reckon this one. Definitely this one. Oh, well, that's on the run, then, it? I reckon this one. This will be a good one. Joe fit, like, and then putting the post going onto it. That'll be a good one. Let's see what else we've got. I could probably work with that one. That looks a pretty good one. The rest seems like it's firewood. Oh, hang on. Right. So these are going to get me going for now. Wow, I can't believe how, like, they've actually stayed up quite strong. That. I didn't have a clue what I was doing here. I get these mad ideas and I think, yeah, that'll be good, that. And then, yeah, it doesn't work out that way. But yeah, we're definitely going to get this going, I think. Bit of a walk now. Can't even hold these, it's doing me head in.
bring them to there, I reckon. But I'm proper hidden here. Proper hidden. I love it. Ow. That went right into my arm, that did. Two more runs, I reckon. Those two there and those two there. Fucking hell. I am a sucker for punishment. Why am I dragging two of these? Whoa.
Right guys, yeah, we're all sorted. I didn't have my gloves on like an idiot, so let's just crack on, because you know that's what we're there for. Let's move it closer.
Right, so obviously I've moved all this here. I've got my wood prepped there ready. I've trimmed that tree down so I can walk straight down that path there. I've kept the bushes and that there, and then I've like just trimmed these trees down. I've put one going across here and I put 2 supports in. For now I just need to tie them up, but it's coming along alright, guys. I've spent a few hours here now, so I'm just glad now, do you know what I mean, that it's all done. Spin you around. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get this checked out, because me being a pillock, I used that and it went straight in. No good. So that's it really. I think I've done enough for one day for now. I know it's a long video for you guys, but these kind of things have to be a bit long, do you know what I mean? Because I want to show you everything I do, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to take this bandage off in a second. I'm going to have a look at it, try and clean it up, but I've got a feeling there's a good old flappy bit of skin on there, like. There's a fly on my camera. Yeah, right, anyway, thank you very much for watching day 1, guys. Very much appreciated. And go and check me out on Instagram as well, guys. That would be awesome, thank you. Little ride home now on my little scooter. Got my little hard hat, obviously you've seen that all the way through, so I do wear them, guys. You know, especially when I'm on my own. It's a bit scary like. So anyway, I love you all and leave you all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Peace. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching day 1. It'll be back again on next Monday, guys, so there'll be plenty of footage now. I do need to go and get this checked out, because I literally just threw a bandage on it. I think it's actually a compression one, but yeah, so yeah, basically, guys, I'm just gonna make my way home, but I've got plenty of footage anyway, guys, so I'm not really bothered. I've done quite a bit here today. I will show you around quickly, just so you can do that. And then I'm going to start packing up, guys, and then that's it. I'll see you all next week, guys. Peace.